All right guys, so back behind me here we have some sumac growing. Sumac is a great source of vitamin C, a great source of antioxidants, and I'm going to show you how to use that right now. So here's a better look at the berry clusters, and we're not going to eat these, but we're going to use them to make a tea. So we want to look and make sure that this is not poison sumac. We can tell first of all by the red berries, but we also want to look at the leaves. We want to make sure that this has serrated leaves. So you can see the serrations on there. Poison sumac will have smooth leaves with no serrations. Okay, there is one other sumac that'll have the smooth leaves that is not poison sumac, and that is going to be the dwarf sumac. Okay, but the dwarf sumac will grow little wings in between these leaves, so it'll have little leaflets growing on the stem through here. Okay, so we're going to harvest some of these berries, take them home, and I'm gonna show you how to make some lemonade. Okay, so these berries normally grow during the summer. I'll normally harvest them mid to late summer. We don't want to wait too late because they'll get rained on a whole lot and they'll turn a really dark color, or they'll get really washed out. Okay, so we want to make sure it's nice and vibrant red. Okay, and these are beautiful, they're ready to go. So the Native Americans would actually smoke these leaves with their tobacco and their kinnick. So they'd put them in their pipe and they would smoke it. And it is said that when the leaves turn red like this, they'll actually give you some really crazy, vivid dreams. So if you're into that kind of thing, sumac trees are also a great option if you want to make a flute or a pipe. They have this nice, soft, pithy center, so they're really easy to hollow out or burn out. All right guys, so we brought our sumac berries back. We're gonna check for bugs. Go ahead and place them in a container. And then I'm gonna fill that up with water. And we're just gonna let those berry clusters soak in there. So I'm gonna let that soak for 15, 30 minutes. This is cold water. You don't wanna do too warm of a water because it'll leach out a lot of the tannic acid in these berry clusters. And it's not gonna hurt you, it's just gonna give it a little bit of a bitter taste. So we're gonna let this soak for about 20 minutes or so. And we'll come back and try it out. Okay, so it's been probably 15, 20 minutes so far. I'm just gonna take these clusters out. If you wanna be fancy, you could use a bandana or some kind of strainer to strain this water into another container and get all the little pieces of berry and wood and spider, whatever may be swimming around in here, out of there. But there's really nothing in there except for maybe a stray berry or two. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste. And that's really good. Has a nice tangy, almost lemon flavor, lemon zest. And it's a really nice pick-me-up while you're out in the woods. And like I said, it's high in vitamin C and antioxidants. These berries are also great. You catch some fish, kill a rabbit, something like that. You can put these in the inside, and it'll add a nice kind of lemon pepper, zing to your whatever food you're cooking. So nice seasoning as well. But hopefully you guys will get out and find some sumac trees and experiment with this. And hopefully you enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching, guys.